Flat.io has an app that you can download in the Play Store. Click New Score to start a new score. So I am trying this out on my phone. They will have mistakes in this video. So press the plus sign and you can add your instruments. I want a vocal and I want a keyboard instrument. So just as the other version, there are things that you can do for free and there are things that you have to pay for. So the reason you may want to use this app is you don't have access to a computer, but you still have music assignments to do, or you want to score something. This app can help facilitate that need, and it also saves online so you can access it when you do have a chance to go on a computer. So unlike the keyboard, you cannot go up and down. To facilitate that, you have to use the keyboard provided for us at the bottom of the screen, right? So the teardrop will tell us where we are on the score. So I'm going on the first press. I'll just press F. Now, when I press the first key, it will go to the next press. If I want to add a chord, I have to go back to that. You see F is selected, and chords usually goes in thirds. So I on F here, I will click A, and I will get a chord on top on the score, up by the teardrop. To change the note value, you slide left or right. So I can, and I can also put sharps and flats by switching the enharmonics on the left hand side. So icons that are similar are all here. We have the undo button. This is to delete. This 4 lines that change the view of the score. We could go left and right to get our note values. This is to play, tempo. Right now we are on this one here. And this could add measures, this could add lyrics, chords, and anything you might have to write. So we have all our icons available for us. I want to add a measure, so I press in the staff, and when I press the staff, you can add measure before, after, remove, take away, and if I slide, I can change the time signature, key signature, double bar line, etc. So everything that you have on the web version, you have available here. You just take a little fiddling and faddling to know the interface. So I go and add a measure, and then you have to go back to the keyboard and the note icon, so you can go back to scoring. Now, repeating and copying and those shortcuts, I haven't learned as yet. There probably is a way, there probably isn't a way. So we have F and A here, and if I change the rest to the rhythm pattern I want, when I go to the keyboard and play, but you have to change the rhythm pattern to the rhythm of the rest before you change the pitches. And I completed that back. By chance, if I want to copy and paste something, it is similar to using Word document or on your phone or some typing document. You have to go where you want to go and slide to the right. It might be a bit difficult if you're not accustomed using a typing program, and I will press the plus sign next to the scissors down below, and I will copy, and I go somewhere on my keyboard, and now I press the tick and I will paste. Alright, so it's not perfect, but it could work. So I press an undo. I just did that to show you how we can achieve that on our phones. And you can also press the person icon with the plus sign to share your work if you have to share it. So it requires fiddle and faddling, and you can get frustrated at times, but you can achieve scoring to a decent amount of degree using the app. Good luck and happy scoring.